Oh man, an item! Please be a potion. Please be a potion.
I'm not a potion. I'm an orange. Oh, you must be one of those Pokemon trainers.
I'm a Pokemon trainer from Pallet Town, and I want to be the very best, like no one ever was. Name's Red.
Your name's Red? Mine's Orange. What's your mom's name? Chartreuse?
We are really going to need your help today.
What is that sound? Do you know?
Snoring!
Snoring? Is Steve still sleeping? There's no time for sleeping. Will you go with Blue and wake up Steve? Excellent.
We'll go start the breakfast.
Yummy, yummy. Steve, it's time to get up. Steve, wake up.
Duck, duck, goose.